Championship Sunday. We're back at Harding University High School. CBC Elite Fire versus the Fort Mill Spartans, who we lost to yesterday. It's time for that revenge to come and play. Let's go, Fire.
We can't feel the ball.
If you know how to play, it's fine. He don't know how to play ball. He ain't no baller.
I said, just for you. I'll try to get this for you. Yeah, but on the court.
We starting off wrong.
They only like that because he a show.
No, because the greatest player in the game. Anybody that can pass.
Little boy, sit down.
He's the only one that can do it. Good pass!
Drain it! Traylon hits in for three. Swing it. Oh, come on, charge the ball. You gotta help. You gotta help. Good rebound. Come on, Juju. Come on, Juju. For three. Julian Smith. Come on, defense. Get a steal right here. Stay on it. Stay on it. Move your feet. Don't reach. Move your feet. Stay on him. Stay on him.
Boy, what do you do? Play it to the basket. You don't pass it down here. Keep your hands in the face, Julian. Keep your hands in the face. Tight.
Good hands. Hold up, hold up, hold up.
Come on, rebounders. I need you to get up there.
Get up the court. Stop watching it. Somebody need to stop that. Don't make it so easy. Pull that.
Force it left. Force it. Force left.
He can go left or right. Come on, go. Straight up. Come on, Julian. Let's go. Let's go. Get up. Good defense. You got to get that. Good defense. Oh, dude, that's so late. You so late. He just wanted to make a call.
He wasn't the one to foul him.
Thank you.
George was the one to foul him.
Thank you. Good foul, we'll take that.
I'm just going for both. I don't want nobody back.
I'm getting ready to say.
I don't want nobody back. I'm just going for both. I don't want nobody back.
Come on, let's pull it.
He had to get it.
To get rid of it.
First.
I know. Oh, bad.
Hey, put your man. Put your man.
44 tallest thing out there. Ain't glad to meet you.
Y'all top of each other.
Cut it off.
Bring it out.
Come on, Jordan, hit that.
That's your man.
Woo.
There we go. Run out, run out.
Rebound it. Rebound it. Push.
Oh, you know that's white ball. Don't even trip.
Hey, Jalen, get something to drink. That's why you cramping up. You got no water in your system.
All right, stop in action. We're up 8-2, 11:30 left to go. First half.
Get close. Come on, bro. Come on, y'all. Set it up. Get ready for the pass.
Make the shot.
Get ready for the pass. Move.
Make shot.
Come on, John Gibbs. With the bucket. Just hands, hands, hands. Hands get big.
Stay with him.
Hey, get over the top.
Good pass.
Nobody under. Nobody under.
Swing it back around.
Swing it.
Swing it. Go on. Nobody under.
Come on, rebounders. Catch the ball under the goal.
Cut it off.
Good hand.
Come on, run out, run out, run out. Run with him.
Shot, shot.
Ain't nothing wrong with him.
Come on, come on, come on. Get back in it.
Hey, spread it out. Spread it out. Go to work, John. Tell him to get out your way. Go to work, bro. Go to work. Tight. No foul. No foul. Tight.
Oh, yeah. Come on. Get the ball. Lord Jesus.
Watch two, man. Shoot him. Give me the point.
Good hands, good hands. Come on, come on.
There you go. There you go. He right there.
Tight defense.
He right there. He right there. He right there. He right there.
Tight.
Come on, that's it. One and done. Let's go.
Let's make the shot.
Ready for the pass.
Make shot.
Oh, it's time to go to work. 4 solid left. They handle it after game now. Good pass in.
Get up, get up, get up. Come on, John Gibbs. With the putback bucket. Hands, hands, hands.
Keep a hand in it. Walk the screen.
Hands.
Go inside.
What y'all doing?
What's doing? Oh, hard.
Oh, stop it. Throw a better pass. Throw a better pass. You gotta box somebody out.
Hey, Juju, that was yours.
Now that's a foul. How you gonna reach over the back of my man?
What man is that?
Walk. That's a walk.
What man is that?
You don't get up the floor to see stuff and then you call dumb stuff.
Box out. Come on, Logan.
No, he don't see nothing.
What? Shut up. No, you can't tell me that. Go tell me to shut up.
Yeah, I know. It's crazy. It's crazy. What? Laps in defense.
They would have came off the floor.
Laps in defense. Laps in defense. You gonna leave a man open to just shoot. Go get it. Go get it. Go get it. Go get it. Raise up, Mike. Big Mike with the bucket. Come on, defense. Step in there, step in there. There you go, good hand. Oh, no, it wasn't. It wasn't no kick. Jesus Christ.
Knocked out his hand.
I know, it rolled. It rolled. Ain't nobody kick if it hit his foot. That wasn't a kick. Jesus, y'all just want to stop play.
We didn't say you didn't want it to be in the game, Coach. Tight. Coach, tight. Put a hand on him.
Come on! Stop letting them
That was a
get in
good
there.
block. That was a good block, Logan. Do it again.
Stop letting them get around you.
It's a good block, Logan. Keep it up. Block it again. Ball don't lie. Box out. I need to see somebody get a rebound.
What's it left, Josh? What's it left? Good pass. What's it left?
Come on, Big Mike. We see you. Come on, Mike.
Move your feet, defense. Move your feet.
Come on. There we go. There we go. Come on, Sid. There you go. Slow it up. Slow it up. There you go. There you go.
Sit on him. Just sit on him. Stay right there. Don't let him come back to a strong side.
Move back. Move back. Move back.
Give it to him. Hello.
We got a call.
It's rare. It's rare. Come on, Spurgeon. Yes, sir. Come on. Stay over. There's a bump right there. Over the back. Come on. Take it, Spurgeon. Take it.
Hold it up.
Oh, this some bull. Come on.
Hands white.
Come on, D.
Hey, keep attacking him, man.
Hands white.
I gotta attack.
There you go. Get big. Spread them out. Spread them out. Spread them out. Spread them out. Come on, say it. Good hands. Yes, sir.
That's what I'm talking about. Hands.
That's how you do it, say it.
Go get the rebound, please.
Make it down. What's the left?
Go get it.
Get up. Oh, I see you. Come on. Big Mike. Put back basket. Let's go. Let's go.
Dirk Nowitzki. Dirk Nowitzki in the building, everybody.
I wouldn't even take
Hey,
him
listen,
out.
no inside side. Y'all keep leaving that man open.
Come on, come on.
Stay down, Logan. Stay down. Coming on. Grab it, Logan. Grab it,
Come on. Yeah, Logan. Logan got that block. Pull it out.
Hit that.
Rain on him. Rain on it. Let's go. Come on. There we go. There we go.
Rotate the ball.
Good defense. Stay with him.
Too easy, White.
Come on, defense. Back out. Back out.
That's two behind you.
No.
No.
That was a bad pass.
Push it, go. Don't let him set up. Push.
Come on, defense.
Hey,
Step in.
where your hands at, White?
Oh, that wasn't touch.
Step up.
Step up. Box out.
Got to get over there.
Yeah, you got to get there.
Hey, force it left. No, other way.
Wait.
Oh,
Okay.
slow it down.
Come on, defense. Get it back. Work on D. Work on D. Come on, let's go. Work. Go across it. Step up. Stop going.
Trade him out.
Gotta trade him out. You can't give it up.
Force it left. Stay there. Don't let him come back right. Don't let him come back. Force it.
No. Can't throw it in there. Don't throw it in there.
Force left.
Ain't nobody really in the middle.
No.
Stay on that side.
Good shot, Chris. Come on. Way to force that. Come on, defense.
Hands.
Hey, set it. Hold one.
Give us some hands, White.
Set it.
Are we counting at all? Because he's defending him. There we go. Oh, Lord Jesus.
Hey, can nobody
Will
out
we get these calls when we get down there? Probably not.
Ain't nobody out jumping. I ain't gonna hate you.
Let's make some shots. I think the other
Hey, play your fast, Jordan.
Good rebound. jogging down the court instead of getting back.
Why y'all keep letting them get to the goal? I don't understand.
Stop jogging back. Another way.
Y'all step up when it go up, crash the board.
Cut it off.
That's what you gotta tell them over and over. Crash the board.
Stern, they got the lead. They just took the lead with that one. 26-25. We're down 1 minute, 24 seconds left to go in the game. Oh, excuse me, first half.
Stay low, stay low. Hey, force them this way, force them back. Rebound. Go.
Step back.
Ain't nobody trying to get under there.
Let's go.
Cut him off.
Who man? Seriously.
Who got 15?
Giving it away. Hey, don't jump the shot. Keep your shot.
When the ball go up, crash the board.
Somebody make a shot.
Force them left, right? Go.
Cut it off. You don't even know. You weren't back there to see it.
Hey, 15, crash the board.
Really? Why y'all running around them?
And they're not watching it. They standing in the lane. They just standing there.
Take your time.
She's funny.
Yes, she is. You just don't know, boo. Well, but that's what they showing her, though.
Yeah.
We have scored this half.
Move the ball. Come get the ball. Back out. Swing it, swing it. One shot, one shot.
Keep him out. Keep him out to his side.
Let's go.
Oh.
Come on, Big John. Come on, put it up. Oh,
He was there.
at the half. We're down 2. Start second half, we're down by 2. 27-29. Let's have this comeback victory. Get to a championship game. Let's go. Top defense. I don't want to see the inside. Cut that off. Make them live and die by the jump shot. I don't want to see nothing. There we go. Good block. Swing it around. That's what you do. Come on. Push it. Push it. Get in there. Rebound. There you go. Cut it off. Show them what you got.
Deny.
Cut it off. Step in. Oh, he lost that.
Take it.
Can we get a foul somewhere in there?
You might need to get on the other side so you can see that hand hit. Get on the other
Thank
side.
you. You made those calls first half. We need to see the fouls too.
Take over. Take over.
Come on. Get it up, Jalen.
Unbelievable.
Finally.
You went lazy up with it instead of going up strong with it.
Take over.
Come on. Come on. We need this. We need a win. We got to play hard. I know. Somebody should be listening too. Come on, come on, come on.
Good pass.
Come on, come on. He's open. Oh. Stay here.
That was on blue.
It was.
That was on blue. You owe us 1 or 2.
Or 3. Cut him off! It don't matter who, just somebody stop somebody. Get the ball back.
Where is the 9? The 9.
No.
Left.
No.
One left. One deep.
Good D. Cut it off.
Rebound! Why y'all standing there? Jalen, you can't run into them. You can't breathe on them. They gonna call it.
Box out and get this rebound.
Yep. When the ball go up, crash the board, White.
Crash the board.
Get it.
Y'all scared y'all gonna run into each other?
Come on.
Y'all?
Good defense.
That's a foul. Come on, baby. Come on. Cameron McCravy. Get the ball back on defense. Get the ball back. Get the ball back. No. Cut him off. That's a...
No way.
I wouldn't give him that.
Thank you, coach, because they ain't sick. I don't know
You-
why they ain't sick. Come on, Josh.
the ball. Move the ball.
Number 1, quit playing dirty. What's it?
Now go on that weak side.
Yeah. Good pass. There you go. Push. Run with him, push.
Somebody need to get the ball back. Somebody need to get the ball back.
Defense. Oh, come on, White, get the ball.
Dude, you standing up on it and didn't see that.
Good defense.
How's that possible?
A little bit of football right there, but it was good. That's their best player. Stay with it.
No. Arms. Watch his arm. Watch him pushing off. You don't see that push off?
Good rebound. Good rebound.
Then we need to do it too. Give it back. And one. John Gibbs. And one.
Good shot.
Get aggressive, White. Get aggressive. Don't let him in there.
No shot. 44 White. 44 White. Good rebound. Good rebound.
Go with him. Jalen Hinton. We're down one.
Get in there.
10 minutes left in this one. Down one.
Stay with it.
Stay on him. Hands.
Defense.
How many steps do you get? Oh, come on. That better be a walk. Jesus Christ. I just came from church. Jesus Christ.
That's a good choice of word.
Okay, that's all I'm going to say. Jiminy Crickets. How many steps do you get? Get up!
Get that.
Cut him off! Take your pick. Take your pick of who to put it on.
It's on both of them.
Keep hustling, White. Keep hustling. We see you. Let's go. Let's go. Come on.
Be ready, you gotta score.
You got to get them weak side rebounds.
Where are y'all rebounders? Dang!
You got to come on. Get it back. Get it back. Get it back.
Big.
Get off
No,
of
that's a good steal. Oh! Woo, that was a good steal. Come on, man. That was a good steal. We see you, boy. That was a good steal. Pick the pocket and everything on the Sunday. He picked his pocket. We're down 1, 8:45 left to go.
Stay in front of your man.
Get it back.
Don't reach. Stay with your man.
Julian Smith to tie the ball game at 36 apiece. 8:22 left to go.
Get it back. No foul. Rebound. Rebound.
Control it. Control the ball.
slow it down.
Shot.
Follow, follow.
Y'all can't get around the people. You can't killing them.
How are we backdooring and pushing people out the way?
Why he backing up?
I don't know.
Watch
man.
that side.
Where you at, boy?
Come on.
Where you at, boy? Where y'all at?
They wait for people to finish the play instead of getting down there to help their players. Get back on. That's a walk. That's a walk and a knee in the groin.
Hands up.
Yeah, he got kneed and hit in the face, but that's not an offensive foul, right? It's not an offensive foul. He gets kneed, he gets hit in the mouth and everything. We need somebody else in. We need a sub in.
Both teams are fouling, guys. Let's not fight.
No. Come on, let's go. Get aggressive, White. Let's go.
Throw a couple of balls.
You're going to have to. Let's even it up. Let's even it up. Let's even it up. Even it up. Come on. And one. And one. Look. Come on. Stop somebody.
All right, E. Let's get these. Make it 3 points, man. 3 points. All right,
I don't know, man. Down 5. 6:45 left to go in this one.
No.
No?
Keep your hands off of them. They gonna call it.
Oh, I'm impressed. I'm impressed. I'm impressed with that. Yes. Yeah, I'm watching. Girl, I'm watching. I'm in watching.
Hands. Put somebody out the way.
That's not a walk.
Stay with him.
Y'all got time.
No, ain't no trip. Somebody break.
Hey, go.
Go to work. Go to work.
Y'all scared?
No.
Make that. Follow that.
Knock it down, Drayla Moore. We're down 2. Come on, defend somebody and get this back. Get it back right here. Get it back. Do what you gotta do to get it back. Do what you gotta do to get it back. Do what you gotta do to get it back. Don't let me see no back door. Don't let me see no back door. How many steps does he get on these plays? Put that motherfucker on.
They won't.
Shoot that.
Follow that. Follow it.
Come on, Serge. Get up.
Close up the middle. Close up the middle. Close up the middle. Close up the middle. Close the middle. Come on, Mike. Go, Sad, all the way. Take him, take him. If you ain't called that, I was going to come out on the darn floor. He was going up, homie. Now, y'all know, in any other situation, y'all have been like he was shooting. Down 2. 4 minutes, 12 seconds left to go in this game.
Keep your hands
Down
up.
2.
Hands, White. Come on, go get the
Hands.
Oh, God.
Good defense. Let's go. Run through him. Run through him.
Got it.
Oh.
Man, stop them weak
Drain it. Jalen Moore for 3. That's a steal. Come on. Get down, defense. Get down. No. Oh, dude. Can we ever get to play defense?
It's full of it. I'm about to cuss him.
Can we ever get to play defense at all? Can we ever get a defensive play? Thank you. It should have been offensive anything. You can't put a knee in somebody's chest and call a defensive foul.
You done blew your whistle too.
Jesus Christ. You need to blow when you're down here on this end and let him call the game down here. You do too much blowing on this end. All right, we're down. No, we're up 1. 3:36 left to go. We're hoping we get some fair calls toward the end, but you know it's risky. Game is tied. All right. Good run, fellas. Let's go. Come on, let's box out. Get this rebound. Need you to box out.
Go get that weak side rebound.
Come on, baby. Put it up. Put some air in that ball.
Set it up.
Defense, no back doors.
Turnover.
That's good defense.
He on the line, right here.
Oh, Lord. Can't he hooks? He hooks to try to get around, but of course the foul's going to be on us. I'm still waiting for a good call from you. I'm still waiting for a good call. Give me one good call tonight. Give me one. I just need one. Can I get one good call tonight? Just one. I need one good call. I need a good one. No, that wasn't a good one. Oh, Lord have mercy. So who's it go to? It should be against the defense.
Jump ball in.
It's a jump ball.
Not you.
15 white.
Not you, Jalen.
No! It was the blue. It was blue 15.
That's his shot. That's his shot. You've been watching. That's his shot. Seen it?
See? Ball don't lie. Didn't even matter. All that damn talk. Taylor, could you please just get the ball and put the ball down or pass the ball or something? Jones, come on now. We're down 1. 3 minutes, 5 seconds left to go.
Watch out for give and go. He's going to go soon as he throws in.
Don't give it away.
Hey, Jalen, start pushing them out the way. You try to stick that leg out.
There you go, good steal. Come on.
Work hard and get the ball.
All right.
Go help him.
Took too long. Took too long.
There ain't nobody inside. Go get it. See that? Put the ball down and he took it.
He put the ball out there. He keeps taking it.
That ain't right. Man put the ball down and he took it.
Put the ball out to be taken.
CeeLo, get a call right today. Y'all out too far. You
Yeah.
gotta come in.
Go get the rebound.
Ain't nobody there to battle and try to get it.
Ain't nobody rebounding the ball.
Going to get the rebound.
They just standing looking. As soon as the shot goes up, they just
Go to the ball.
Oh, that
You gotta crash the boards. Go ahead. Stay there. I think you touched it too.
go ahead.
Hey, spread the floor and set the screen. They in the bed. Y'all making it harder than what it is.
They will, I'm saying.
Hey, defense. Girl, see. Leave the lane over there. No foul.
Stay with your man.
That comes from standing there looking. Standing there looking.
Good defense. Get over and help him. Good job.
Jalen Moore. Yeah. Come on, defense. Come on, defense.
Take a charge. Take a charge.
Are you serious?
I told you he was gonna try to get that foul.
Don't be scared to take a charge.
But that wasn't a foul. Where's the foul?
Straight up.
Call the foul. Where's the foul? There's got to be a foul to call a foul.
Jay, get over there and get on him.
Thank you. Ball don't lie. There's got to be a foul to call a foul. Box out and get this rebound. Ball game is tied. 1 minute, 23 seconds left to go. 49-49. Tie game.
Box out and go get the rebound. Go get a rebound.
Hey, force him to beat. Sit on it. Sit on up.
He said, hey, come up. What y'all doing?
Hey, force him left. Sit on it.
Come up.
Make them play. They trying to hold the time. Make them play.
Somebody need to be in the middle.
Come up. That's a foul.
Hey, can we get a foul?
Good D. Good D.
Good D, good D. No, he didn't call it.
Come on, man. He got beat up down here, but you didn't call that.
The foul up top.
Ball ass head.
We all watching.
Hey, force him left. Sit on it.
Somebody cut.
Come on, y'all. You ain't got that much time.
Get in the play, get in the play.
Watch that big man.
Get open over here.
I don't know. Hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up.
Yeah! You trying to take the game from us? You trying to take the game from us? You trying to take the game from us?
That's all I got to say. Make it count.